Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can actually use bybit end section to earn rational profit for yourself in this 2026. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video you'll be able to know how you can fully use these bybit end sections and make a rational profit for yourself. So let's quickly dive into that and see what exactly it will bring to us as profit. Okay, so all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the earning sessions. Navigate yourself quickly to the earning sessions right here. If you come to the earning sessions, you're gonna going to look for where there is n. Okay, if you take your eyes close up right here, you can see easy to earn, you can see on chain earn, you can see advance earn. Okay, so all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this easy earn. This is what we're going to focus on, right? We're going to focus on the easy earn. So you're going to click on the easy earn. Okay, if you click on the easy earn, right in this place, this place shows the balance you have invested, like the balance you have staked. Okay, so the moment you stake anything, it will appear right here. All right, then you simply navigate yourself to this place called flexible. Do you know why I always want you to stake flexible? That is because you can take out your coin anytime without a specified period of time. You can take out your coin anytime, which is why I always advise this flexible earn. Fixed earn also is good. It can earn you a lot. It earn you more than the flexible. Fixed earn here earns you more than this. But I advise you to stake this because you can always take it anytime at all. There will be no duration. But in this fixed, there will be durations. Maybe if it was 15 days, if it was 30 days, you must have to wait until those days. If it was 3 months, if it was 5 months, you must have to wait before you can cash out your coin. But on this flexible, you can take it out anytime, even in the midnight. So you click on the flexible. So touching on the flexible now, you will now see all those coins that are actually available here. Don't forget, we're focusing on how to use bybit earn. All right, and if you're finding value from this, do not forget to drop a like, subscribe if you have not done that, share the video as well so that a lot of people can gain value from it. And if you do have any question, do well to drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So when you click on the flexible, you're going to see a lot of things like this. You can see the BTC, you can see the ETH, USDT itself, and many more. I always advise you to stake USDT if you are afraid of flexibility. Okay, because if you most of those coins price can goes down and it can goes up, but when you stake other coins, when you stake coins other than USDT, you can earn more. Like you can earn more profit when the price triumph goes up, and you can lose when the price goes down. But the only reason I advise you to stake USDT is because USDT does not goes up and down. It's a stable coin. So what you invested is actually what you're going to get with a maximum profit, with a reasonable profit. Okay, you can only cash out your profit in USDT, and your fund also is in USDT, so nothing will happen to your fund. Your fund will not face depreciations. All right, you can stake USDC as well. I support this because USDC is also a stable coin. But when you stake others like MNT and the others, you must understand that your price could goes up and also could goes down. Okay, for each one of it you choose, you're gonna going to see the percentage of them. Okay, so if you look for the percentage of your choice, maybe you can be looking for GMT or for hyper, because these ones have a high percentage, 131, and for GMT is 92%. Okay, so you're going to look at it carefully and see what exactly is good for you that you wish to stake. Okay, all right, now we are here. Now we are here on the USDT. Now we are here on the USDT. Now this is the USDT. Coming to this flexible session, you will see that yes, you earn 1% in 7 days. 1% in 7 days. You can see if it's flexible, you're gonna go into earn 6%. All right, so you come into this place, you're gonna go into check how much exactly you can invest here. You can see it range from 1 USDT to 100,000. From 1 to 100,000, you can see right here. You can see right here from 1 to 100,000. You can see the one here, and you can see the 100,000 here, which is the maximum. So whatever you can use to invest will be available here. If it's not available here yet, you can move it to your fund wallet in order for it to be available right here. And if you don't have anything yet and you wish to fund, you can click on this little plus in order for you to fund your particular account. You can see the real-time APR here. You are promised if you stake over 200 or equal to 200. If you stake less than 200 or equal to 200, you earn 6%. Okay, if you stake 200 USD or above, but if you take less than 200, you're gonna go into earn 1%. So you can see the source of your yield going to be savings. Your current investment amount, we're going to appear right here. If you turn on this one, it means whatever USDT that come into your account will be saved automatically. So I don't advise you to turn on this because it might give you a headache in the nearest time. All right, so after doing all of this, you're going to come to this place to click on tick I have read and also agree to Bybit easy and an agreement. Then come to this place to click on invest. All right, if you click on invest, and everything here will automatically be invested, and your reading for your earnings will begins immediately. All right, so this brings us to the end of this very video. If you do have any question or there is any video you want me to talk about or you want me to make, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.